Hi Rachel, my name is Patton and I'm gonna show you some no-sew fashion hacks. At the beginning of the pandemic, there was so much free time. I decided just to go into my closet and try all of my clothes and see if I could find different ways to wear them so I didn't have to go and buy new clothes. And these are a few of the ideas that I came up with. Okay, so this is the DIY cocktail dress. We're gonna start with wrapping the fabric just like this. I'm gonna tie a knot just at the front, and then we're gonna twist it. We're gonna put our head through it, and then we're gonna put one arm through that fabric. Just gonna make sure that everything is flat, and just try to rearrange the fabric so it looks like a real dress. In this next DIY, what we're gonna do is make these two shirts into one great dress. The first thing we're gonna do is put one arm in each sleeve of the shirt, and then we're gonna button them. Okay, and then we're gonna turn around, and remember the other two sleeves. Now we're gonna button the other side, so we're just pretty much connecting the shirts together. So now I'm just going to tuck in the collar right there. And then remember the other two sleeves, we are going to take them to the front, and then we're going to tie them. Perfect. So you can just wear it like this, or you can accessorize. So I'm going to hide the sleeves. I'm going to use a belt. And I think the belt just gives it an extra je ne sais quoi. So for this no-sew fashion hack, the only thing that we need is on my shirt. So I'm gonna remove it, and then we're gonna wear it backwards. Stay with me. I know it sounds a little crazy. Like that. Then we're gonna gather the end, flip it over our head, and this is the collar. So you can tuck the collar into itself, or you can just tuck it into your skirt. And then we're going to turn it over, and now we're gonna button it. It looks very nice. And I truly believe that an off-the-shoulder shirt just looks great on everyone. Easy cardigan hack. All you need is just a long cardigan. With one cardigan, you're gonna get two. So all you need to do is take it off and just wear it backwards, just like this. And then we're gonna gather the ends, flip it over our head, fold it back. Two cardigans in one. I hope you guys love my no-sew fashion hacks, and I can't wait for all of you to try it on at home.